everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some KSCRAFT metal dies for the month of October. They're winter theme. Thank you KSCRAFT for sending me these dies, and you can find these dies at KSCRAFT Aliexpress or KSCRAFT Amazon, and you can also find inspiration on their YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook. Let's get started. So first we have this gift card memory decks. It's super cute. It has these flakes with the little tags on top with you could put the gift card in, and it's a memory deck. How cute is that? And this measures approximately, if you fold it up, I think it'll come out to 2.5 inches by about 3.5 inches. Next up, we have the Snowman Wishes, and it comes with the die set along with the stamps, so it's really nice to have that in together. And what it says here, it says, let's open this up and see it more clearly. It says, "Let it snow," 2 different styles. "Thanks so much. Winter wishes. Hi, frosty friend. Burr, have a cool Yule, and you melt my heart. Season's greeting." Isn't that so cute, these words? And the snowman comes with a hat, the scarf, and buttons, as well as the carrot nose and some branches as its arm. And next up, we have this 2024 Christmas garlands, and let's open it up and look at them. We have some stockings, and this is some, I think, mistletoes, and this part goes with the socks, so it could make a pattern here, and it's also stitched, and also some bows and candy canes. How cute is that? Next up, we have these gingerbread mug shakers, and it comes with these really cute gingerbreads that you can add into the cup with this really nice whipped cream and some melty cream at the side here, and as well as this candy cane and these cute spoons with it. Yeah, it's so cute, and it comes with a small and you can also get a large. So yeah, that's that one. And next up, we have the Sled mini album, and it also comes with some words here. It says "Sleigh and fun, winter, let's go," and this one is, I'm not really quite sure what this one is. Ride, I think. It's ride, yes. Super cute. And the sleigh looks like this. It already comes with the binding here and some stitching. And this is so cool. You could put like animals here. And let's see, this one measures approximately 6 inches by 4 inches. And let's move on to the next one. We have here Gingerbread Man memory decks. So cute. It comes with these little peppermint candy. And the gingerbread has this topping on its head, which is super cute, with a bow. There's a lot of details, and I love how it's a memory deck. So it could go into the 3D crate that just came out last month as well. So yeah, you could put so many things in that crate. So it doesn't have to be a memory deck. It could be something else, but we already have like 2 memory decks that you can add into the crate. And this gingerbread measures approximately, it's really nice how it's stitched at the sides here. It measures approximately 5 and let's see here, 5 and about almost 5.5 inches high and about 4 1/4 inches wide. If you include the memory decks, the height of it is approximately 5 3/4 inches. Next, we have this layering Christmas presents. So cute. Look at the different patterns on the presents. And there's many different shapes and sizes. And next up, we have Joy Mini Album. Super cute. And it also comes with the binding here at the side and the stitching as well. And it looks like this is a light or a light bulb, and it measures approximately almost close to 7 inches by 3 1/4 inches. Next up, we have this truck box card Christmas add-on. And so it comes, there's a truck that came out sometime around, I believe, in Halloween or something. And so now you can make it into a Christmas theme. So it's super cute. It comes with this Christmas tree, candy cane, some snow, and light bulbs for the string of lights here, as well as a lollipop candy cane and some peppermints. And there's different styles for it, and as well as a wreath and this cute gingerbread. Next up, we have this gift bag Christmas add-on. So there was a bag. It's probably, I believe it was the Easter bag or something. And so I'm not quite sure. I'll have to look into it. And then so this is like an add-on to that bag. You can change it up into a gingerbread or a Santa, which is like, I think it's so cute. Here's the gingerbread. It looks like this, and it comes with all the decorations for it, as well as the Santa. It's gonna look so cute. And it has this mustache here, as well as the hat for the Santa, and the nose and the eyes and the eyebrows. Super cute. You could decorate it so many different ways. The bag, it's nice for gift giving. Super cute. They're approximately almost 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches for the Santa, and the gingerbread is approximately, let me see here, gingerbread is 4 1/4 inches by 4.5 inches. And here we have a Christmas bottle gift card. It's super cute. This one is approximately 7 1/4 inches by 3 inches. It's great for putting your gift card into this bottle. It looks very interesting, and it has a belt. It looks like a belt buckle with some buttons. Maybe you can add a face here. That will look cute. Yes, and finally, this is the 11 ounces mug holder. It's super cute for displaying. It's nice to decorate it and add your own phrases. You know, it's just really awesome. So yeah, that's about it for this release for October. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!